Hello guys! Another day, another skincare routine na naman ang gagawin natin for today's video guys. Since tapos na po ako maghilamos at tapos na din po ako maglagay ng toner at saka moisturizer, so ang gagawin po natin guys, since napakainit sa panahon ngayon guys, sobrang init guys. And ayan na nga guys, ayan kinuha ko po yung sunscreen ko guys. Alam nyo ba guys kung magkano yung sunscreen na yan guys? It's buy one take one guys for only 166 pesos guys. So meron ka ng sunscreen. And tingnan nyo naman consistency ng sunscreen na to na Wurada guys. Sobrang ganda guys. And alam nyo ba guys na kahit damihan ko pa ng lagayan, tingnan nyo naman, sobrang easy lang niya i-blend. No white cast, very lightweight guys, at may cooling effect guys. At bonus pa dyan guys ha, sobrang bango niya, promise guys, sobrang bango niya. And kahit hindi ka na magpe-perfume guys, sobrang bango niya, promise. And as you can see guys, and more than 2 fingers pa yan ang nilagay ko guys, sobrang dami na. And tingnan nyo sa dulo guys, kung hanggang ano ba talaga or gaano ba talaga kaganda yung Wurada sunscreen guys. And sobrang ganda niya guys, promise, sobrang bango niya pa din. And this soft cream type sunscreen could be spread softly on the face and which then protects skin from sun, and its moisturizing components provide water to the face keeping it moist guys. Tingnan nyo guys, so ayan 'di ba? Mabilis lang siya i-blend guys and wala talagang white cast guys, sobrang wala. And tingnan nyo guys, kahit nandito tayo sa loob ng bahay guys, kailangan protektahan pa din natin yung ating face sa sun, 'di ba? O kahit nasa loob ka ng bahay, so nakabukas yung ilaw mo, 'di ba? Meron din yung heat. Ayan, so protektahan natin yung ating face and skin natin by using sunscreen, guys. And the most important thing, guys, ang pinakamagandang sunscreen, guys, is itong Wurada sunscreen. Bonus na lang talaga, guys, yung bango niya. And of course, guys, very friendly yung price niya, guys, kasi affordable lang siya. For only 166 pesos, meron ka ng dalawang sunscreen, guys, and matagal mo yung maubos. Tingnan nyo naman yun, gaano kaganda yung mukha natin guys, diba? O, naka-Wurada yan. Check out nyo na yan. Ilalagay ko dito sa yellow basket. Thank you!